Okay, time to clean the dryer. What I had was a bunch of rattling, and there was either some coins or something else stuck up somewhere in the dryer drum. So, what I did, you go in, and in my case, there are a few screws on the back. This is a 1/4 inch socket. There are screws in the back here, 1, 2, 3. You take that off, and then you can just pop the top off, and now you can see down into the drum. And in my case, and I think everybody's, there's going to be these baffles here, and they're held in by screws on the top, and it's the same 1/4 inch socket. And so what you do is you can either just loosen them, which is what I originally did here. So you can loosen it, and the stuff will fall out. And I see there's a bunch of gunk in here. There was a huge amount of lint and that sort of thing. So I actually unscrewed it completely. And you gotta be a little careful doing that on the top here, because make sure you grab it with your hand so that the screw doesn't fall down, and then you're gonna have to go fish that screw out from the very bottom if you do that. So make sure you don't do that. And you can rotate around, clean it off, and then just screw those baffles in, get them nice and tight, and put your top back on, and you're good to go. In my case, one of the rattling pieces was not actually a coin. It was this brass shirt collar stay that must have fallen out and gotten in there and was rattling around. So good luck to you.